Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can call us on 01476 560 599. Just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new stock item that we have in our used range in the Swift Conqueror 480 2014. A fantastically well-specced two-berth caravan sitting in the Conqueror range, which was dropped in 2018 but sat just below the Elegance range, so an extremely well-specced high-quality caravan. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. Wonderfully large front locker box there for two 6kg gas bottles, step, other items that you might want to put in there, but ensure you're being cautious and conscious of your nose weight. So benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow for you, giving that assisted braking. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, a side access hatch to underneath the front sofa, and also a exterior 230 volt socket. You've got the wonderful Conqueror logo going all the way down the side. This caravan does not have a motor mover fitted to it, so that could be a consideration and a need for you. It has had an additional security handle fitted here, the Fiamma security handle, which goes across on the stable door, just creating a bit more security for you. So stepping inside the caravan, the first thing you notice is the oven and grill. So 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Nice light finish to the cupboards in the kitchen area with an easy usable height microwave. Omnivent in the kitchen area to take those cooking smells out, but in the hot summer months just bring a bit of nice cool ambient air into the caravan. As we come down, you've got the gloss locker two-tone doors moving down the front and the panoramic sunroof, letting a huge amount of light into the caravan, coupled with the medium-sized Hecky light, again creating a fantastic feeling of space. Very large front couches in this two-berth, so you could pull this out for the double bed or comfortably sleep on them as singles. You can see from this fabric scheme, this was upgraded in 2014 to the Swift Shield upholstery scheme, making it far easier to clean and wipe down. But you can see here what fantastic condition it's in and really well looked after by the previous owners. At the front, we've got a television point there with aerial point and 240 volt socket and a further 240 volt socket on the other side, just positioned behind the front chest with short pull-out table and drawers. You've got the PIR sensor for the alarm located down the left-hand side there, and that two-tone locker effect going throughout with ample storage. You've got a nice large side surface here with further storage underneath and also above. A kitchen worktop extension, so plenty of space in the kitchen area with a generous sized under-counter fridge. You do have a second television point located here, should that be a need and a consideration for you. So benefiting from the Alder wet central heating system and the main control panel just above the habitation door. Vanity mirror as you step inside with some robe hooks and also boot storage underneath there. Wonderful chrome finish to the bathroom door as we step through to a very spacious rear bathroom. Illuminated washroom mirror. Hanging rail in the shower area with a generous sized square shower cubicle. First little cupboard you've got here, you've got a couple of shelves, and that's where the freestanding table for the front of the caravan is located. Generous sized wardrobe here at the back. So a full set of carpets also coming with this caravan. Your Alder header tank at the back and the hanging rail with your multi-directional aerial and Vision Plus box. Further drawers underneath in this cupboard for, again, plenty of storage. So you're certainly not short of storage in this two-berth caravan. You've got the Aldi central heated towel rail just positioned next to the Thetford toilet, and also a further shelf dotted above here with a speaker in the bathroom to play the music through the radio. So that gives you a good feeling, good understanding for what this Conqueror 480 2014 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. We are in the office, we are on the telephone, so please get in contact with us. We look forward to hearing from you. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour, and I hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.